Hi children, welcome to this English video class. This is Sirisha. Children, in this class we learn our new lesson. Our lesson name is The Little Poetry. Okay children? So our lesson name is The Little Poetry. So look at this picture children. Look at this picture. This is a poetry picture. Okay. So when we observe this picture, we remind ice cream cone. Why? Because it is in the shape of a cone. Okay. So the poetry is in the shape of a cone. Now let us start our lesson. Shetty, the musician, was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little poetry. He ran towards it as fast as he could. So in this story children, one day the musician was returning home. Whoever has the name Shetty was a musician in this story children. In that time, it started rain heavily. It started to rain heavily. So Shetty wanted to protect himself from the rain. That's why Shetty looked around for a shelter. He saw a pretty little poetry. What did he see children? He saw a pretty little poetry. So the musician started running towards the little poetry and he stands under the little poetry. Okay children? Now let us see our hard words and new words meanings one by one. First one is fir tree. An evergreen coniferous tree with upright cones and flat needle-shaped leaves. Okay children? This is the fir tree picture. An evergreen coniferous tree with upright cones and flat needle-shaped leaves. Okay, now let us go to second one. Musician. Who is a musician? A person who performs magic tricks. A person who performs magic tricks. That person is called as a musician. Okay, next one. Pretty. Pretty means attractive and beautiful. Pretty means attractive and beautiful. Children, look at this picture. This flower is so beautiful. So here I can say this is the pretty flower. Okay children? Now let us continue our lesson. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the musician. Here Shetty was very happy. The musician was very happy because he did not get wet. Why did he not get wet children? Because he was standing under the little fir tree. That's why he was very happy with the little poetry. And he wanted to give some reward to this little poetry. He wanted to give reward to this little poetry. So he gave 4 wishes to this little poetry. Okay, and he will grant these 4 wishes with his magic tricks. Okay children? So he gave 4 wishes to this little poetry. Now let us see another word's meanings. Reward. Reward means something given when you have done some good work. Something given when you have done some good work. Children, when you do something good, then you get a prize or a reward. Okay children? Now let us continue our lesson. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves as goats do not eat gold leaves. Children, here the little poetry was very sad. Why was he sad? Because the little fir tree had leaves like needles. Because of that, no birds ever made their nests on it. Okay, so the little fir tree wanted to should have some green leaves like his other tree's leaves. So this first wish was granted by the magician. Okay, so in the next morning, the little fir tree became very happy. Why? Because the little fir tree to have some leaves like other trees' leaves. That's why. So next, what happened, children? Here, what happened? Now, what happened, children? A goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear! So here said the fir tree. The little fir tree became sad again because he did not wanted to anyone. He did not wanted anyone to eat his leaves. That's why here the little fir tree wished for gold leaves. The little fir tree wished for gold leaves. Okay, children. Now let us see another new words. Needle. Needle means a small thin object used for sewing, or thin piece of metal with sharp pointed end. Thin piece of metal with sharp pointed end. Look at these pictures, children. Above picture is a needle picture. So below picture is the leaves of the fir tree. Okay. So these are the needle shaped leaves. Okay, children. The fir tree leaves are needle shaped leaves. Now let us go to next one. Leaves. So leaves means part of a plant. Leaves are part of a plant. Now let us go to another meaning. Gold. Gold means a yellow precious metal. A yellow precious metal. So children, gold is a very precious and very expensive metal. It has shown in yellow color. Look at this picture, children. This is a gold bracelet. Now let us continue our lesson. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Man, do not steal glass leaves. Here, the little fir tree, that means the second wish of the little fir tree was to have gold leaves. This wish was also granted by the magician. So, the little fir tree became happy. Now, what happened, children? What happened? A man came along and stole the gold leaves. Because gold is a very precious and expensive metal, that's why a man came along and stole the gold leaves. The little fir tree became unhappy again. Now the little fir tree wanted to should have some glass leaves instead of gold leaves, because glass is not a expensive or precious like gold. That's why the little fir tree wished for glass leaves, because man do not steal glass leaves. That's why. Now let us see another meanings. Stole. To take something without the permission of its owner. To take something without the permission of its owner, it is called stole. So children, stealing is a very bad habit. Okay. Now let us continue our lesson. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. At night, the wind blew. Whoo! All the glass leaves broke. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle-like leaves best. For goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, the wind will do them no harm. Okay, children? So here, the third wish was also granted by the magician. What is the third wish was? The little fir tree wished for glass leaves. So this This wish was also granted by the magician. So, in the next day morning, the glass leaves shone in the bright sun. The little poetry became happy. But what happened at the night, children? What happened at the night? At night, the wind blew. All the glass leaves broke. All the glass leaves broke. Because glass is a very delicate. That's why all glass leaves are broke. Next. So, who dares certify? I like my old needle-like leaves best, but goats do not eat them. No man can steal them. The wind will do them no harm. Here, the little fortree felt his old needle-like leaves are best because goats cannot eat them, man cannot steal them, and wind cannot do any harm to those leaves. That's why the little fortree wanted to his old needle-like leaves back. Okay, children. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up in next morning, it had all its needles back again. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fortree. Here, the little fortree went to sleep. Okay, children? So, the fourth wish was also granted by the musician here. What is the fourth wish? Here, the fourth wish was the little fortree wanted to his old needle-like leaves come back. Okay, so in the next morning, the little fortree was very surprised, and the little fortree became very happy because it had all its needles back again. That's why the little fortree became very happy. So here the little fortree realized that his old needle-like leaves are very best. Okay, children, this is the our little fortree lesson. So what is the moral in this lesson, children? What is the moral? We should feel very happy with whatever we have. Okay, children, we should feel happy with whatever we have. Don't compare with others. I hope all are enjoying this lesson. So children, note down those. So that means you write down. You have to write those meanings in your notebook with good handwriting and without spelling mistakes, children. Okay, children? So you observe this video 1 or 2 times, then it will be easy for you, children. Okay, children, take care of yourself. Bye.